Hey there, sports card fans. It's been a while since I did a box break video, but here we are. I'm going to try to do some more in the next, in the near future, far future, in the future. Here on out, basically. So I've got 2017 Topps Chrome Baseball. I know what you're thinking. It's 2020. Why am I opening 2017 cards? And that's because I still need a few Sepia refractors for the set I've been trying to build. So I have the negative refractor set, I have the regular refractor set, I have the prism refractor set, I have the pink refractor set, I have the X-fractor set, but I still do not have the full Sepia refractor set. So Sepia refractors come in these blaster boxes, and that's why I'm opening some. Plus, 2017 has Judge rookies, and I like him. For a while, I really liked Alex Bregman, but now he's a fucking douchebag cheater, so not too excited about his stuff anymore. And Benintendi, I also liked him. He's potentially a cheater. Jury's still out on that. Bellinger, like him. Not as much as Judge, but still, and he's an MVP winner now, so that's cool. Anyway, first pack. Alrighty, what do we got here? Kyle Hendricks. Adrian Beltre. I'm not going to show you everything. Giancarlo Stanton refractor. Not sure if you can tell it's a refractor. Justin Upton. No rookies in that pack. Okay, here we go. Pack number 2. Chris Sale, who is going to have Tommy John surgery. Okay, Jacob deGrom, and it's 1987 design. Luke Weaver, Antonio Senzatella, both rookies. Weaver, rookie. Senzatella, rookie. Pack number 3. Okay, Kyle Seager. Francisco Lindor, then and now insert. Kyle Freeland and Amir Garrett, rookies. Nothing too interesting yet. I think this is pack number 4. If I'm counting properly. Okay. Paul Goldschmidt. Jameson Taillon. Taillon. I'm assuming you don't pronounce the L's, but maybe you do. Carlos Martinez, Prism Refractor. Again, not really sure. You can sort of tell by the bottom, but it's, yeah. And Jordan Montgomery, rookie. Okay, so that's pack number 5, 6, 7. Is that accurate? 7 packs? 7 packs, yes. So this is pack number 5. And we got Mike Trout base card. Ryan Healy, rookie refractor. And Joe Jimenez and Jesse Winker, rookies. So I have been opening some packs off camera, and I had a 2018-19 status Walmart box that I opened a while back. It was the day before Christmas, actually, last year. And I got 2 Luka Doncic rookies. One of them was a parallel. And 2 Trae Young rookies. One of them was a parallel in the same box. That was pretty crazy. Okay, Michael Franco, Chris Davis, Stephen Piscotty, 87 insert, Christian Arroyo, rookie. Okay, last regular pack. And then we've got the Sepia pack. Kind of a dud box so far. Hey, Cody Bellinger rookie. That's good. Okay, Johnny Cueto. Future Stars Trey Turner insert. Here we go, Cody Bellinger rookie. There we go. That's nice. And Pat Neshek base card. I think he actually collects cards, so that's kind of cool. A card of a card collector. Okay, Sepia refractor pack now. Okay, we've got Dylan Betances, Corey Kluber, Jordan Montgomery, Amir Garrett. So 2 rookies to end the pack. I'm going to go quick inside in the other room and see if any of these are the ones I needed. And I'll be right back. Pausing in 3, 2, back. So believe it or not, 3 out of the 4 Sepia refractor cards I needed. Here they are. Number 5, Corey Kluber. Number 24, Jordan Montgomery. And number 143, Dylan Betances. I needed those 3. So cool. Made a dent in the set I'm trying to build. And then just a review, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 other rookies, including 1 refractor, Ryan Healy, and base Cody Bellinger. Other than that, 1 regular refractor, 1 prism refractor, 1, 2, 3, 4 inserts, 2 of them being the 1987 retro design, 1 being Bowman Then and Now, and then the others being Future Stars, and then this stack of base cards. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell so you get notifications. And yeah, thanks. Bye-bye.